Hello, my name is Tony Jones. This is a multimedia project for Franciscan University. The class is Instructional Materials and Web Design, Instructional Design. My professor is Dr. Lori Brown. This is an example of worked example. What we're going to be doing is showing how to leverage work examples, work example principles as far as transition from worked examples to problem solving the fading worked example principles. Two, to promote self-explanation of worked out steps. Worked example principle 3, supplement work examples with explanations. And worked example principle 4, apply multimedia principles to examples. Worked examples principle 5, which also supports learning transfer. The first thing that we do is that we start our class with a warm-up question. In this slide, the students are asked to multiply 3 times 312, and the students will be able to select the correct answer, whether it's A, B, C, or D. My objective today is to multiply 2-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers with regards to regrouping. Today we will be multiplying 2-digit numbers with regrouping. If you're following along in your book, you would be able to find this on page 379. The problem is, Mrs. Johnson received 3 boxes of t-shirts. Each box contained 24 shirts. How many shirts did she receive? What we're going to be doing is multiplying 3 times 24 to solve the problem. Okay, what we're doing here, we've broken it down into 2 steps. Step 1, we're going to be multiplying the ones. I have a figure there for the students to look at. 3 times 4 ones equals 12 ones. We're regrouping 12 ones as 110 and 2 ones. And we'll be able to write the 2 in the ones column, and we will write the 1 above the tens column. And in step 2, we're multiplying the tens, and as you can see, what we've done is 3 times 2 tens equals 6 tens. Add the 1 10. 6 tens plus 1 10 equals 7 tens, and we write 7 in the tens column. So, Mrs. Johnson received 72 t-shirts. Here is another example. It's 6 times 31, and 6 times 1 equals 6 ones. 6 times 3 tens equals 18 tens, and once we regroup, we'll see that 18 tens as 108 tens, giving us a total or an answer for the problem of 186. Here's another example. In this problem, what we're working with is 6 times 45. We have 6 times 5 ones, 30 ones. Once we regroup the 30 as 3 tens, and we look at 6 times 4 tens equals 24 tens. We add 3 tens, so that is 24 tens plus 3 tens equaling 27 tens, and when we regroup as 207 tens, or 270. From using the previous worked examples, what we would do at this point is have students work independently. I've provided some slides for students to work on as far as multiplying either in sentence form. There's also a problem solving question that students would be asked to work on, and this this concludes my worked example presentation.